Hello, this is Carlos Mestre from Team eEVA with Stephanie Lunn, and this will be an installation video on how to get our software up and running. We will be providing the next group working on version 2.0 a pretty long tutorial on how to get everything installed and the settings, so I'm just going to give you a brief overview. You're going to need three main programs to get the software up and running: WebStorm, MongoDB, and Tortoise SVN. Tortoise SVN is going to be used to speak to the repository in the lab. In order to gain access, you'll need to speak to Christine Lissetti. Once you have access, you will have an eEVA folder on your hard drive. When you right click it, you'll have SVN update, SVN commit to either send your updated files to the system or pull from someone else's updated files in the system. Once you have the latest files, you're going to go to your MongoDB folder. Inside the bin, you're going to run a terminal here. So you just shift and right click, open up the command window, type in mongod. That's going to start up your database. Once your database is started up, you're going to run WebStorm with your project. So once your project is loaded, you'll see it on the left hand side. There are two processes you'll need to run to have access to the survey editor and to the state machine. You're going to be using, up here on the right hand side, there's gulp, which needs to run, and you'll see it in the terminal down there, and you'll need your Node.js to run. So once everything is up and running, you're going to be able to have access to the site. You're going to connect to localhost 3010. So you refresh using your login information that you've created in the database, and here you have access to your state machine and survey editor. Once that's complete, you can shut down your WebStorm and then two processes. You can shut down your database, and then either if you want to push your update, you just use commit, or you can work on it at a future date. That is all. Thank you for listening.